Hello everyone, my name is Shyanne Holder and today I will be showing you how to do a setup and configuration of DHCP. So what is DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol? It's a network protocol used to automatically assign IP addresses and network parameters to devices on a IP network. So the purpose of it is to eliminate the need for manual IP configurations, reduce configuration errors and conflicts, and simplifies network management, especially for large networks. So how does it work? The DHCP server maintains the IP address pool and network settings, and the DHCP client requests the configuration automatically, such as our Windows 10 client machine. So now we are going to prepare the network environment. So we right click on our CentOS and we go to settings and network adapter. So we have three types of network connection here. We have bridge, which just connects our virtual machine to your home router. So the VM is now on your real network. We have the NAT or network address translation VM that shares the host internet isolated from the host network. And the host only, which is what we'll be using today, is a private network between the host and the VM, which is ideal for DHCP testing. So both our CentOS server and our Windows client will be on the host only adapters. And now we are going to begin our installation, but before you begin, you have to set your network adapter on your CentOS back to bridge because we will be needing internet to install it. So I already have mine installed, but once you do install it, you can just go ahead and set it back to host only. And now we are going to navigate to the configuration directory. So you do cd /etc/DHCP. Going to do the ls to view its contacts. And this is the folder we are going to view. So we just do a cat dhcpd.conf. So by default, this would not be here for you, but these two would. So the C/user /share /doc /DHCP server /DHCP conf.example. This is what we are going to copy to get this. So we're just going to copy it. And you can do a nano or a gedit or a vi, anyone you want. So I use nano and we paste it and press enter. I'm just going to scroll down. So this is what we would be copying. A slightly different configuration for our internal subnet, the subnet mask, the range, the options, the default and mask list. So after you are finished, after you copy this, you're going to exit. So you use Control X. And now we are just going to cd in, gedit into the conf, the DHCP.conf file. So you could do nano again, /etc /DHCP /DHCPD.conf. And we're going to paste it right here. So you are going to enter your subnet mask. So how to find the subnet mask here? You go to edit, virtual network editor. And this host only, well, change settings. Yes. And we're going to host only, and we are going to take this subnet address right here. As well as untick use a local DHCP service to distribute IP addresses to VM. And untick use a local DHCP service to distribute IP addresses to VMs. So we unticking this because we want our CentOS server to be the only one assigning the IP addresses. So once you do that, you press apply and OK. So we want to enter a range. So I put my range from 40 to 60. The domain name server, I put my CentOS IP address, and I have my domain name from when I set up DNS to shyanne.org. We comment out the option routers and the option broadcast. We have our max and max release time. So once we do these settings, it allows the client to join the network and communicate automatically without manual IP setups. So once you do all of that, you're going to save and exit. And we also have to add the DHCP to our firewall. So you do firewall -cmd -permanent space -zone equals to public -add service equals to DHCP. So I already have mine enabled, so after you do that, you have to reload the firewall. So firewall -cmd reload all. Not all. Mistake. And once you make all of these changes, you have to start and enable the service. So we do systemctl start DHCP, and then we're going to enable it. I'm going to check the status. So it's active and running. Also, I would like to reset the DHCP service because after all those changes that we made, so you do systemctl restart DHCP. And now we are going to head on over to our Windows client machine. So we are on our Windows client. So we just have to make sure our network adapter is set to host only. So it is. I'm going to open our network settings. Change adapter options. Right click on Ethernet properties. IPv4. And you would select obtain an IP address automatically and obtain a DNS server automatically. You can also disable and enable the network settings. And we go to our command prompt. And we do a IP config space-all. So Windows should automatically request an IP address from our CentOS DHCP server. So you see that it shows a range of 40. We see our DNS server. And we could also see if our DNS server is responding as well. So we could do ns lookup. So we see our DNS server is still there. And that brings me to the end of my presentation.